So how are bats like habit formation? Well, bats use echolocation to gain environmental information, but they don't always echolocate. If bats are flying in a location they're familiar with, they abandon their echolocation, essentially flying blind. Researchers are able to exploit this behavior to catch bats by putting nylon nets in these specific areas. But why do bats do this? Using echolocation, making sounds, listening to every minute detail, that costs energy. Maintaining these organs require calories. So if a bat knows an area well, it only makes sense that they go on autopilot. Now this is exactly what a habit is. Charles Duhigg, the author of The Power of Habit, says habits save us energy. In this famous MIT experiment, rats were placed in a T-shaped maze with the chocolate reward hanging out in the left corridor. When the rats were released from behind the wall, they all took their time examining the maze before finally finding the chocolate. After several rounds, the rats unsurprisingly found the chocolate in record time. Results show that the rats' brain activity significantly drops during the exploration phase, subsequently saving them energy by turning off brain power. Imagine the first time you learned how to drive. It probably looked like this. Okay, step one, I'm gonna take my seatbelt, I'm gonna buckle it in. I'm gonna check my mirrors, make sure we're all good, right foot on the brake. We put a lot of energy into things that are unfamiliar, but the more we repeat a behavior, the less energy we use over time, until eventually you don't need to use energy at all to learn how to start a car. Although habits save us energy, I think the lesson here is that if you're not paying attention, sometimes autopilot can get you stuck in a net.